So this is Hallmark's Spring Quartet. It plays at the hop. It runs off of 3 AA batteries, which are installed underneath the bunny. There's an on-off switch for the battery compartment, and there's also an on-off switch here. Has the original tag, and the list price was $22.99. Has this popcorn kind of really soft plush. Unfortunately, a lot of lint gets caught up in it, but easily cleaned out. You can see a little spot on the foot there. That's just lint. And that's the Spring Quartet at the hop.